Hi guys, I'm Quackerjack, and today we need to have a serious conversation. If you've been with the channel for a while, you may have seen my important message video that I put out late last year. In that video, I spoke about a serious accident that me and my father came across when we were out on a ride together, and I implored riders to stay safe out there on the roads. Sadly, it seems that not enough people had heard that message, and unfortunately 2021 has been a horrific year so far for motorcyclists. The reason I'm making this video is because over the last few days, I, as well as probably a lot of other people here in Australia, was sent an email from the Department of Main Roads and Transport. Now, in that email was several links to information regarding safe ride practices and habits, but what really stood out was this line here. Tragically, 24 riders have lost their lives on Queensland roads so far this year, and that's 13 more than the same time last year. Now, this has really struck a chord with me, and it's why I'm making this video today. I know that if you're watching this, you love motorcycles just as much as I do. You know, taking to the roads, enjoying the exhilaration of taking a beautiful machine through some great landscapes, and just really enjoying that freedom that comes along with it. Unfortunately, it's very easy to forget just how dangerous this thing we all share in common is. And the fact that I'm seeing more and more tragic stories every week of riders just like you and me losing their lives on the roads is heartbreaking. Now, the rider casualties of motorcycles this year in Queensland alone has more than doubled since last year. And I can only put that down to just more people wanting to go out there and share the roads. Now, while I think it's terrific that more people are getting into motorcycling and sharing that passion of ours, it does also mean that there's more of us out there and perhaps not as much riding knowledge or experience. So, no matter whether you've been riding for 40 years or for 40 days, I'd like to encourage everyone to please check out the links that I'm going to leave in the bio today. Down there will be links to all of the videos sent out in the email that I received. I'm also going to leave a link to the USA's MSF website and a link to the movie A Twist of the Wrist. It's here on YouTube, you can watch it for free, and I encourage every single rider out there to take a look at that. It really can't hurt to brush up on these things or check them out for the first time if you have never seen them before. It's very easy to blame cars or other people on the road, but at the end of the day, as motorcyclists, it's down to you and me to ensure our safety out there on the road and to drive defensively and safely. And that all starts at home, so please take some time and have a look over the resources that I'm going to leave down there. I love this community and I just want us to stay safe and continue enjoying motorcycles for years to come. Look, that's all I wanted to speak about today. I think it's important that we ensure not only our own safety, but those of who we ride with as well, so please share this with anyone who you think might gain some value from it. Thank you for watching and stay safe.